looks so cool.
Right, Jay, so if you'd like to tell us where you want to be with the car and a little bit of history about it.
Yeah, sure. So basically I want it to look as good as we can get it. Potentially go back to an original engine if possible, which we have another donor car for. If not, we'll just run this one. The interior is pretty good, but outside I just want it to look as pristine as we can, get it all nice and flush, redo the chrome, make sure everything just looks good really, to be honest. But the car itself is a 1967 Nissan P130. It was sold in two different markets as a Datsun and a Nissan, depending on where you bought it from. JDM.
Oh, this is the Nissan one?
This is the Nissan one, yeah. We do have a red one, a JDM, which is the Datsun version coming down as well today.
Which is the straight line 6.2 litre. Yeah.
Straight line 6.2 litre, yeah. This is a Toyota one, which I think is only a 1.8, but I haven't checked that. But yeah, the history of the vehicle is 1967. The body shell is a P130. Would have originally had the 2 litre overhead cam L series engine in it, but it was used as a dignitary's car in Thailand for 5 years, from 1967 to 1972. They stopped using it, mothballed the car, put it away. It was swapped out to an automatic engine and gearbox combination, so it was a smoother ride for when I had people in the back. But yeah, it was just used to drive dignitaries around. Then it was mothballed, and a friend of mine in Thailand found it in 2020, and here it is in the UK in 2022.
I mean, this is microglycerin anyway, which means that there's moisture been trapped underneath that paint at some point. All this is the same.
It's everywhere, yeah, it's all over the whole car, yeah.
Key areas on these, this is probably filler.
Yes.
These have nearly always been at some point been replaced. You find the same area on just about every single Datsun.
Yep.
So. Right, if you could tell us what key areas you think, because you'll know the car a lot better than us, and what we'll do is from there, the areas that you think we'll investigate further anyway.
So I think there's some simple things like panel fitment, like you can see here the bonnet doesn't fit
bonnet,
quite great, so the chrome needs redoing, and then there's pieces like this which seems to be fiberglass in places. So it's tin this side, but it seems to be fiberglass in places when we felt it.
I was going to say this is tin here because it's been bent, but yeah.
Yeah, but then like in this corner,
like
it just looks like it's either full of filler or it's fiberglass or something. Yeah. So this needs probably replacing, changing it. There is some simple things as well, like here you'll see that originally these would have been on the sides.
Yeah,
if we can, it'd be great to move them
back to original place.
I can only find less than 10 of these cars in Datsun. Yeah. So that's the issue. And there's only one other one in the UK. I own 2 of them. There's 3 in the UK. So.
You own 2 of 3.
2,
yeah.
As far as I know. I mean, there might be one hidden away in someone's garage for all I know. But of all the ones registered that I can find.
This lip here should continue and should be.
I think they've cut it for when they dropped it. Yeah.
You'll feel those. That lip is nowhere. They've blended it in somehow to in a wheel arch, so you need to get that.
Do whatever the right job is for that. Yeah.
But it's a bit filler there, but he's solid.
Yeah, it's pretty good for the. I was tempted to drive it around like this for a couple of years, but it's just been sat for quite a long time now. The boot fitment isn't great again.
Yeah.
But this is definitely straight from the boot on the red one. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it?
That is awesome, isn't it?
The bodywork was designed by Pininfarina. All the coachwork for all of the different versions. There's actually a couple of different stylistic differences you'll see between this and the Datsun version. So the crease you have down the hood doesn't follow onto the boot on the Nissan version. On the Datsun version it does. So there's some minor differences.
Yeah. But again, it's got good heritage. So
yeah,
fantastic.
It's beautiful.